Hi, my Nutty Beauties. It's your girl, Royalty Roots, coming today with a quick and simple DIY. And then I'm going to show you guys the Mister's coffee station for Halloween this year. So we're going to use 3 of these little cute jars. Y'all know I use these to put his creamers and sugar and all that in these. So I'm going to use these, and then I'm going to use some of the little Halloween spiders and all this other stuff they got in here. Flies, they have worms, and then the little skeletons. I got this from Dollar Tree. And then I got, this is from Dollar Tree. So this will be like a Dollar Tree DIY. It's quick and simple, you guys. And then I'm going to take y'all down because we're going to then spray paint the tops. And I'm going to show y'all how I style them on the Mister's Coffee Station. Okay, you guys, this is the finish, and we're just gonna go down. Why is his leg doing that? I don't know why his leg is going down. Oh well, he's glued on here now. But anywho, I don't know what's going on with his little leg. That's gonna aggravate me. But he's on there now, so I can actually pull him off and put another one on there because that's gonna drive me crazy. Anywho, this is the end of this portion of the DIY. Now I'm gonna take them down, and I'm just gonna spray paint the tops after I replace this one because that one looks crazy and that's gonna drive me crazy. But okay, you guys, lucky me, I already had purple paint, black paint, and orange paint. So I'm gonna paint them 3 different colors. I'll show you guys the after. Here's the purple paint, and it's 3 different brands. No, it's 2 different brands. This is the black paint, and then this is the orange paint. And we got 3 different tops, so we're gonna paint them 3 different colors. Okay, here's the finish. That's the purple, this is the black, and here is the orange. And they turned out super cute. I don't know why this is like that. It's got, I guess it was a bubble right there. It's okay. I'll spray paint that again. But this is the outcome. This is what it looks like. And I love them. Of course, I love everything. But they're cute. Super cute. Okay, let's let them dry. Okay, you guys, these the finish of them. As you can see, I put some brown sugar from Dollar Tree in that one. Mr. Love that brown sugar. They have there that raw sugar. And then this one have creamers in it, and it's the hazelnut one. And then this one have a creamer, and it's the French vanilla one. But they turn out so cute. Now let me put them on the Mistress Coffee Station and show you guys how I style them. I wanted to wrap a bow around them, y'all, but I think that was doing too much, of course, because it's not my coffee station. It's the Mistress Coffee Station. So I think it's a little too girly. So we're just gonna leave it with this painting the top and putting the spiders on it. But let's style it and I'll show y'all the finish. Okay, you guys, this is the finish of the Mr. Coffee Station. Excuse my voice, we went to the Alabama and Tennessee game last night, y'all, so I don't have a voice, so excuse my voice. It normally don't sound this raspy, but yeah, your girl was screaming up some last night. But like I was saying, this is the Mistress Coffee Station. This is the finish. I don't usually mess with this area. That's why I could call it the Mistress, because the only thing I use over here is the hot chocolate right here. That's the only one I would drink, and then sometime I would buy cappuccino and put it over here as well. I'm not a coffee drinker, but during the fall winter time I would drink a cappuccino and hot chocolate. But yeah, you guys, this is the finish. And let me go through and tell you guys where everything come from, because I know somebody's gonna have questions of where everything came from. This thing came from, I think it was Dollar General. No, Kirkland's. It was Kirkland's. I didn't even realize that. So that came from Kirkland's. This came from Dollar General. And of course these came from Dollar Tree. This thing right here is the Day of the Dead as well, and it came from Burlington's. This Boo cup came from Burlington's as well. And then we got this little bobblehead mummy came from Dollar Tree. And then this came from Dollar General. This came from Burlington's, and I think the little straws in it came from Dollar Tree, you guys. I think this was from Dollar General, and of course all three of these were Dollar Tree. This thing from I think it was Dollar General, y'all. I think that's cute how I just set the coffee up in there. Super cute. And then this thing was Dollar General as well. The Day of the Dead, y'all know that's my theme for Halloween. And then these little oven mitts and stuff, they came from Burlington's, I think, or either Dollar General, I can't remember. And these came from Burlington's. These ones right here, I was gonna put them out, but they don't really match, so I just set them right there. But yeah, you guys, this is the finish of the Mistress Halloween Coffee Station. I know it's like a little late, but y'all have to work with me on these videos because I'm military, and the way my schedule works, y'all, I be done put this stuff up, but actually making the video is what takes the longest, because I've been decorated the house, I've been had this stuff up, but making the video, by the time I get home, it's like 7 o'clock at night, and it's like way too late. And that's, you follow my vlogs, you see on weekends we do fun family stuff, so it's kind of hard to do these videos. But anywho, I get it done. Just a little late, but I get it done. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Again, excuse the voice, I was screaming at the football game last night. Also, if this is your first time watching, hey girl, hey. I normally don't sound this raspy, but thanks for watching, and we would love for you to stay. Hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it